It probably needs a charge.
Hi, Dad.
Sweetie, don't video me right now.
But why not? Fine. Okay, so we're getting ready for the party. I just wanted to show you something real quick. This little camera thing. Okay, so I wanted to show you our Christmas tree. It's pretty amazing. It's about 9 feet tall, but first let me just turn it on. Dun, 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 dun. All the way back here. Boom. Okay, so now it's on. So let's go back over here and admire it. Okay, there's the stars. Let's see here. Zoom in on that. There. Oopsies. Okay, there's our tree. Ooh, and here's my Winnie ornament. Sorry, I'm zooming a lot, but I just want you to see that.
Sammy, outside.
Let's take a look at the presents.
Out.
Okay. This is the wine case. So yeah, I just wanted to show you that. Now let me just show you the stockings. Okay. This is my stocking. This is Mommy's.
Hannah.
Yeah? Stocking.
Did you do the cobwebs? Nope, you
This
did
is
not.
this.
Put that down.
Bye!